Okay. Business group wise, it will be different. The ledger and legal entity is different, and your any of these four C's are different, then it is going to be a different ledger. Suppose this is a INR. Okay, if you want to have a USD ledger, what is the reason? If it is a country-based ledger or it is just a reporting ledger. If it is reporting purpose, you need a USD as a different currency, then that is very well possible as a reporting currency. But if you want a organization to report in US dollar in US, then it is a different ledger is required. So all these are linked. All the organization structure till now what we discussed, location, business group, and ledger, legal entity, operating unit, inventory organization, all is tightly integrated, linked together. So if this all will roll up and roll up to your responsibility. As I explained you before, there is some profile option you have to do the setup. That profile option is only the reason which allow you to have the access to that ledger or not to have that access to ledger. So it is all depending on this, and this will be provided by your system administrator. Your manager may have requested you the access for this, but based on the requirement. If you just need to book all the activities related to India, then you cannot see the details of the US.
Okay.
So we stop here. We'll continue from tomorrow. I am afraid that I cannot include you in tomorrow's morning session. So can you give me some timing, because from tomorrow it is the weekday starting and we will have the office work also. So can you just give me some time where you need this training to be done?
Yeah, evening. If you will tell, then evening it will be a good.
Evening, what time?
After 7 to 8 or 7 to 9.
No, in the weekday we will cover just 1 hour session.
Okay, then 7 to 8.
Your office closed by 7 o'clock?
Sorry, your voice is breaking actually.
Your office closed by 7 o'clock?
Yeah, actually now work from home, right? So
Yes.
it's 6 only, but now they're stretching time till 7. But yeah, it is not 6:30 also, it's fine for me.
And do you have time in morning?
Morning, yes, before 9:30. Yeah, 9 o'clock.
Before 9 o'clock you have the time. Maybe it can be 9:30 also, right?
Sorry?
In the morning before 9 o'clock you have time.
Yeah, before 9 o'clock I have a time. I have time.
Okay, I will then message you on WhatsApp what time we will start the training, and I will send you a separate link for the training.
Okay. So what about 7 to 8:30? In that group, they have already
No,
started the real
they,
time.
they already started and they are already in the accounts payable module. And you are just, there is some more activities are pending regarding the setup. If you complete that setup, we are good to go with the accounts payable. But that is all.
What about test general entry?
Yes, yes. Testing journal. Till testing journal entry, it was planned for today, but I guess we already covered around 1 hour 45 minutes.
Yeah. Can we start only testing journal entry? Can we?
As you
We can conclude that set of things that we can cover in, after that also it is fine. Anyway, I'm very
okay,
new to the account, so we can start with testing a journal entry, which is the real time.
okay, real-time journal entries if you want to know. Uh, if you want, I can show you how to book a journal entry in the system. That is just for journal entry. Account payable, it is different.
Different, yeah.
If you don't want to go through the setup now and just want to
Yeah.
see how to book a journal entry and how to book a supplier invoice, I can show you.
That it is good. Anyway, setup I'll not going to do. And one more thing is I'm very new to the account, so they'll not gonna give anything related to setup.
Uh,
Even so, it will be you know last at the after 15 days also, when I'll get to know all these things
mm,
like journal payable receivable.
mm,
After
mm,
that I can set up also. I can do, yes, that we need, that I want for set of things that I
mm.
can ask. But now if we'll go
Okay,
with testing a journal
okay.
entry, then it will be over.
As we have not completed the setup, so I will
Yeah.
show you the testing journal in another ledger, which is part of the morning batch. Morning batch already in the accounts payable. So I will
Okay.
show that.
I don't want this setup, but
No, no,
I can start with.
no, I am not showing you setup. Showing you how to post a journal entry in the GL.
Huh. Yeah.
Okay. For that, you will have access to responsibility.
Hmm.
Responsibility
GL
can,
supervisor.
yes, uh, the responsibility can be different types of, okay. It can be managerial level or executive level.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, based on the responsibility, you will have access to the function. Suppose
Hmm.
what will happen, you can very well possible that you can post a journal entry, and there is a possibility that you can just enter a journal entry. Posting will be done by your manager.
Oh, that is two different thing.
Yes, that is two different things, but it is all based on the how your organization function. Okay, it is because in my organization, the person who has the access to GL, he or she can post a journal. Enter and posting can be done by same person, and enter and posting can be done by two different persons.
Okay, then enter and posting. Because it's like our company, they're going to give me the one responsibility, like full responsibility. If
Okay.
I'll do enter, then I have to post also.
Okay. So I am going to GL super user IT India. Okay. The responsibility can, as I told you, responsibility can be different types. So it can be GL user, or it can be the GL inquiry access. Different types of access will be there. So once you go to GL, you will see some menus like this. It is menu, journal, budget, inquiry, currency, consolidation, report, others, and setups. In the journal, you have this import of journal, define, generate of journal, scheduling a journal, auto allocation, reconciliation of journal, enter journal, post journal. Rest, you will see the functions like this. So entering the journal in.
Okay. Like it's not coming.
GL Supervisor at India, journals, enter journals. If this window will open, on this window you have to click on new journal when you are trying to post a new journal. Okay, you have to give the journal name, whatever it is. Let's say post. Can be the in the GL module, you are going to book that journals which you cannot book in accounts payable and accounts receivable. Okay, let's say you are doing your company is doing some petty expenses for which there is one vendor is there and that vendor keeps on changing, and for that you have no supplier available in the accounts payable. So you do this petty expenses. Let's say you go to the post office and buy revenue stamps for HR
Mm.
department. Okay, let's say you pay, bought 200 rupees of revenue stamp. In that case, you are not going to create a supplier for Post Office of India as a supplier, and you process the invoices, because there will not be any invoice for you, and there will not be any online payment or something. You go, you pay to the cashier on the Post Office of India and buy the revenue stamp. So this is called a petty expenses. So let's say petty expense. Okay. In the description, you can give like purchase of revenue ledger. As I told you, you will have access to the ledger. Okay. Based on the ledger access, you can view the balances of a particular account. Okay. If you have access to the US ledger, you definitely can go and access the ledger also. Then category. Category means it is a segregating of type of journals. So there are many categories are there. So petty cash transactions and petty cash in and out, all these are there. So you can select any of this category, and as this category can be customized and defined by your organization separately. Then the period, in which period I am doing this purchasing. Today is our 25th of July. That's done. and then it is a standard journal entry. Conversion rate. If it is USD or Euro transaction, then definitely you have to enter here USD date, then that exchange rate type and what will be the exchange rate. But though we are purchasing just a petty revenue stamp and from post office, it will be the transaction in INR. Come to the line number 1. In the account, you have to select company, which company it is. Let's say company 1. Location, Chennai. Function, admin, administration department, or it can be HR department. Account number, it can be anything. Postage, 7510. Intercompany, it will be 0 because it is my local transaction, not any intercompany. Future segment, I have right now this 0. If I want to use future, I can define the values there. Okay, this is my expenses. What is the expenses? 500 rupees my expenses. Purchase of revenue stamp. Click OK. Now next comes the account. Again, second line. My debit is done 500. I have to give now credit. Credit to my cash account. Chennai. And which function it will be? Finance department will pay you the 500 rupees cash. Then account number. In the, there is a list of petty cash account or cash account. You can use this account number 1110. Intercompany, like this. Credit 500. Purchase of revenue stamp. So this is done my accounting. Debit credit equals I purchased my revenue stamp, postage account debited, cash account credited. Once I am done with this, I save this transaction. Saving and done. If posting is allowed by your company, you can simply click on this post. Otherwise, this button will be grayed out like this.
Okay.
Okay. So you click on post and this is done. This is how you can post the journal. The posting is done. How you can view the posting? If you go to view, request, click on find. If this posting is completed or not, you will just monitor here. So posting completed, normal. So now you can go and see the journal. If you want to see the same journal again, go to journals, enter journals, give the journal name, petty cash, press enter. Petty cash percentage, click on find. Say ledger, normal, petty cash out. Click on find. There are many ways to search this. Okay, petty expense equals journal. Click on review. This is posted. The status is showing as posted. Click on review. Okay. In the review, you cannot change anything. Okay. If you understood that this is wrong, this journal is wrong, you can click on reverse. Reverse means it will generate a reversal of this. This account is debited. In the reverse, this account will be credited. And if this account is credited, it will get debit. If I click on reverse, I click reverse, it will ask me which period I have to reverse it. In the same period, there are certain journals which only can be reversed in the next period. You post in July, you reverse in August. These are called accrual journals. Okay, and normal journals. These are the normal journals which in which period it is posted need to be reversed in the same period. If the same period is closed, it need to be reversed in the next period. So the July period is already open. I can select the July and click OK. So it has done the reversal. Click OK. Close this window. Now we go to view, request, fine. It is reverse journal. It is processing the reverse journal.
So it is showing status is showing okay.
I am clicking on refresh data. Now it is pending normal. The status changed from running normal, completed normal. The reversal is created. Now you come to the post, journal post. Click on find. Reversal of the petty journal. It is created here. Review batch. Because a reversal journal will be created, but posting is not done because the posting status will be unposted. You have to verify the journal. Okay, this was the journal and okay, there are two journals up there. This is unposted. Click on review. You will see here the details of your reversal. This account was earlier debited, now it is credited. And this one, click on post. So this is how you can post a journal and reverse the journal in the GL module.
Still it's showing unposted.
Because I need to re-query this window. This was the old query window. I have to click on touch button, click on find again. It is saying that now selected for posting.
Okay.
Processing. Post. So like this, you can post and reverse the journals and enter journal. Enter journal means you just enter the information, but do not post it. And if you have to if you have access to the posting, you can very well see the post button enabled. You can click on post and it will be get posted. Okay, Binta?
Okay. Tomorrow can we start again from journal entry, testing a journal entry?
Okay.
If I'll
Okay.
okay then. Because I don't know, like I need to write also somewhere where to go, how to do, where I need to click for the timing being at least
Okay.
being
Well,
in
we can go
new.
through it. You got your system access, right? In your office?
No, I in my office I got actually. Tomorrow I need to check.
Yes, so it is better you check tomorrow in the morning hours with your manager and all the colleagues, and I will give you time tomorrow in the evening to discuss with you what all the activities you have been given and what all you have to do, because there will be certain kind of training manual will be there in your office environment, right?
No, actually, they're not going to give the training. That's the reason they told me to go and take a training outside. They're in this 1 month only. After that, only after 1 month only, they're going to give that full responsibility. Like what and all I need to do. They already told me GL and EP invoice and another two three things, GST invoices that I need to prepare.
Okay, so just see tomorrow what they are asking you to do, and uh, then later we will see.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Then
it, it,
tomorrow
it
you'll.
is it is also better what you do. There